Promise you won't let me down. Promise you won't let me.
Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Today there's a beauty secret that I want to share with all of you. This beauty recipe is known to be rich in vitamins B and E, minerals and antioxidants, and you can totally whip this up at home. Are you ready for it? You cannot stop the clock. Time goes by, and with the passage of time, your skin gets fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. But don't worry, I have the solution with a simple yet effective DIY anti-aging night cream using rice. Yes, you heard that right. You will get rid of all your wrinkles, fine lines, and other aging signs. Plus, it's not expensive at all, made with natural ingredients from your kitchen. So without wasting time, let's start making the recipe. To start, pour water into the pot and bring it to a boil. After, mix 1 cup of rice and wait for it to be fully cooked. Now that the rice is good to go, drain the water. You can press it gently just to remove excess water. Once that's done, place the rice in a food processor. Don't forget to pour 2 capsules of vitamin E extract into the rice. Mix it until the texture becomes smooth and creamy, just like the ones you buy over the counter. Next, transfer it to a beauty tub. No problem if you have a bigger tub at home. Now it's time to try this little beauty miracle. Apply generously onto the skin. I'm loving it since it smells good and feels gentle on my skin. Why mix vitamin E? This capsule reduces dark spots, works as a moisturizer, and lessens the signs of aging, such as wrinkles and unwanted spots. Rice water is rich in vitamins C, E, and also other minerals. Rice water also has anti-aging benefits. Since it suits all skin types and moisturizes too, it makes the skin supple and young. Rice water helps to tighten the skin and reduce wrinkles that come with age. It's better to apply this every night before going to bed to see all the amazing results of this DIY anti-aging night cream. I'm so excited to say goodbye to my fine lines and all those annoying wrinkles. You'll also definitely save more money by using a DIY cream just like this, ladies. And that's it for today's beauty session. I hope you guys will take the time to try this at home to get more radiant and younger looking skin. Comment below if you liked it as much as I did. Press the like button and the bell icon to get the amazing tips and tricks. Till our next DIY beauty remedy, thanks for watching. Bye guys!